Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing a single source of truth, a dedicated status channel or dashboard everyone must update. Explain why consistency matters. It prevents duplicated effort and confusion. Once you have that, enforce 3 simple states: available, busy, away, and show how to tag them. Make sure everyone adds contact preferences and time zone offsets so status is meaningful. Then assign one owner to monitor adoption. This first action turns policy into practice and reduces friction immediately. Next, automate the messy middle. Connect calendar and presence APIs so scheduled meetings and do not disturb automatically flip status. Explain how automation reduces reliance on manual updates and keeps data fresh. Once done, add notifications for critical state changes and on-call shifts so stakeholders see important transitions. Make sure to create lightweight scripts or workflows to sync Slack, Teams, and your dashboard. This prevents split brain and ensures every tool reflects the same reality in real time. Finish by running a pilot week, observe mismatches, and iterate your rules quickly. You must validate that automation and manual inputs align and train people on quick fixes. Once stable, codify escalation paths. If status looks wrong, call the on-call number or ping the escalation channel. Make sure to document the flow and include a 15-minute onboarding step for new hires. Troubleshooting tip: if statuses lag, restart the present sync and check API token expiry first. Most problems stem from expired credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.